Hello, good evening, good afternoon, friends. Today I'm going to show you the unboxing of my new watch winder which I have received. So let me quickly open up this winder which I have received today. It's quite big. Let's see what is inside this. Quite well packed though. Okay, interesting. So I need to lift this up, for which I have to keep my mobile aside. Apologies for that. Let me just pull this out. Okay, I just took the first layer of the box aside. There is one more, and you can see it's very well packed. So dear friends, as you can see, this is how it looks. Now I have to take the safety padding out. There you go. This is how it looks like, the actual shape. Now I will take the black cover out. Now this is how the winder looks like. Before I plug, I just wanted to show you a little bit, right? And let me show you. Quite neat. Okay, texture is quite good. Let me just plug this and show. So I have just plugged this in, and this is how it looks. Let me now put the watches inside and show you. It looks quite nice from the top and well lit inside. It has also got a beautiful panel inside, you can see. Very well done. Let me put some watches inside and show you. Okay, I've just installed the watches from my old winder, as you can see. And now I will just close this up, right, and power it from the back side. And this is how it looks. It looks simply amazing, isn't it? So let's see this. This is Kalev Bucherer. Let me just open the... yeah, this is Kalev Bucherer. This is my Omega Seamaster, and this is my Breitling, and this is how it goes. Let me see something. This is 1, and this is 2, and this is 3. Okay, this is both sides, and this also let me do both sides, and this also let me do both sides. Cool. Now you can see I have just done both clockwise and anti-clockwise. It seems there is a remote also. Let me also have a look at that. So I can operate using a remote. So this is a remote which is being given. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Thanks a lot. If you like this, please like, subscribe, and also share this beautiful piece of winder with your friends and family. Thanks a lot.